Welcome back to NASCAR Thunder 2004, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here at Phoenix International Raceway for the Phoenix Infield Road Course race, the Sandstorm 500K. There are 4 races left in the season. Me and Jeff Gordon are the only 2 people that actually legitimately have a shot at the championship. And there are 4 races left in the season. Anyways, I start 4th. Jeff Gordon starts on the pole. This is not what we want. Especially if I want to win this championship and keep Jeff Gordon behind me, even though I have a really big ass point lead unless I choke the next 4 races. But anyways, let's get this started. It's going to be a 6-turn road course. Ooh, there's a lot of alternate paint schemes in this race, by the way. Per usual procedure, I will always show the top 10 in qualifying. Is to have a nice black and orange Halloween themed paint scheme for this race. And there's a couple alternate paint schemes to spot in the top 10. You will be seeing them here. Martin's got his Tombstone Craft Foods Toyota. Or Ford. Fuck, Ford, not Toyota. Tony Stewart's got his Fantasy Championship 2002 car in this race. Here we go. 27 laps this afternoon. Jeff Gordon's on the pole. The green flag is out here at Phoenix Infield. Oh god. I'm on the outside. This is not good. I want to get to the bottom and I want to get there fast. Oh, fuck. A little bit of contact with... Wow, a little more contact with Tony Stewart. Through turns 4 and 5. No major incident there. As Jeff Gordon leads the first lap. This is going to be like Dockside, where the top 6 are going to be single file, and the rest of the field is going to... Whoa, Mark Martin blocked me again. Oh, caution is out. Mark Martin is taking me out. And Junior just collected me. Don't need to see the fucking replay. Well, caution's out early. Gotten Mark Martin. That was my own fault. Mark hopped the curb. I couldn't get off him. Now I'm in 22nd. God, this is going to suck. Wasn't Kevin Hart one of my allies? Now his little green marker is gone. What the hell? Of course, Jim 2. but at the same time, Jimmy Johnson's got a 92 plus 92 on me, so that means once I get by Dale Jarrett here, he'll move out of the way and give me room. Oh! Dale Jarrett hopped the curb, took Jimmy Johnson out, right in front of me, too. Thrown away. Oh! Hard shot with Robbie Gordon there. Ow. More contact as we make our way through the tricky turns 4 and 5. Trying to maintain a good draft off Kevin Harvick. With Elliott Sadler to my inside. About to go 3 wide down to the bottom. Crap, Mark Martin's on my inside. He may try to wreck me here, so I'm going to get the hell out of here. Get around Jeremy Mayfield for 10th. Try to get Matt Kenseth as well. There's 9 laps complete here in the Sandstorm 500K. I'm trying to get positioned by getting a nice ballsy pass on the outside. Ugh. And Jimmy slammed into me there. Second caution's out for debris. Should I pit now? Hang on, let me check. Nah, I'm good. I think guys are going to pit on this lap too, so Jeff Gordon still leads, by the way. I got Rusty Wallace and a really pissed off Dale Jr. behind me. This has been like using the bumper a lot on these fancy road courses. To the inside is Sterling Marlin for third. Bill Elliott takes the top spot. There's contact. Bill Elliott gets in. I get in Bill Elliott right there. He may try to wreck me off. Fuck. I off the damn curb, but I'm not gonna hit the brakes and lose 6 spots. And I, in the process, proceed to wreck Jeff Gordon. God damn it. No win. No fucking win. No. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I'm gonna pit now, by the way. No. Full tank. Come on, boys. Good pit stop. Four tires. Here we go. Come on, send us out here. Good stop. Merging's gonna be a bitch. As I fall lap down here, looks like. Oh! More contact. With Bill Elliott. Fuck. He better pit pretty soon, or I'm gonna fucking whack somebody. Try and draft with Jeff here. Draft with Mr. Gordon. Uh, About time I executed that corner without smashing some bastards. Third caution is out. Contact with me and Bill Elliott. Oh, good God, Jimmy Johnson. He spun. He's in the gravel. Caution flag is out. Again. Third yellow of the afternoon. Look at me curb hopping in Sterling Marlin there. Lead cars and pins. This could throw some drivers a lap down. I don't think I'm going to be one of them. Oh. Shit, I'm going to come into the pack. I'm coming into the pack. Fuck. Watch the... Wow, got into Bill Elliott. Third caution is out this afternoon here at Phoenix Infield. There's going to be a lot of cars in front of me and a lot of cars behind me. What the... I gotta... okay. Guess I'm going to end up lap down. Shit. This is going to suck. Let's see who's leading. Ricky Rudd's currently leading the Sandstorm 500K here at Phoenix, with Dale Earnhardt Jr. in second. About to go through wide and Ken straight, a little bit of contact. Wow, the outside apparently was a great line of taking to that corner because they passed a lot of cars, but I'm still a lap down. Now it looks like since they didn't have that lucky dog rule, I'm going to end up 19th. At the end of this race, it looks like. Wow, crossover on Sterling Marlin. Run up on the dirt on Sterling Marlin. Give Mark Martin a little bit of a bump. Wow, cars pitting off again? What? Huh. This means Ricky Rudd's going to have a walk-off win unless Kurt Busch can get him here. Or Kevin Harvick. Or Christian Fittipaldi. And Bill Elliott's around again. Fourth caution. Oh, he's dead. He is dead. He's dead. This race could be over. We could possibly get this race restarted. Hopefully. We could hopefully get this race restarted here. More cars get trapped a lap down. I am still one of them. Sadly. Look. Wow, he shoots right up the track similar to Mike Skinner last week. Oh my God, Michael Waltrip. Waltrip hits him. Here we go. And the race is over. This means Kurt Busch is going to win the Sandstorm 500K here at Phoenix, while I finished 19th. Piss poor finish. Dale Jarrett freaking slides up the racetrack and kills Jimmy Johnson. Okay. Minus 80 for Bill Elliott, minus 74 for Dale Earnhardt Jr., minus 80 for Mark Martin, and minus 16 for Robbie Gordon. No cars followed the race. So Kurt Busch won today's Sandstorm 500K with Kevin Harvick in second, Bobby Labonte third, Matt Kenseth fourth, Sterling Marlin fifth, Mark Martin sixth, Rusty Wallace seventh, Jeff Green eighth, Jerry Nadeau ninth, and Jeff Gordon 10th. Let's take a look at the points. Spoiler here. The next race is going to be at Martinsville Speedway for the Subway 500, with 3 races left in the season. Only each game. Look at the points. Jeff Gordon is 736 points back due to his 10th place finish, so he did cut into the points lead a little bit, but not by much. Mark Martin's in third. He made up a little bit of ground on me today. But Dale Jr. and pretty much anybody on back is in no man's land right now. Rookie of the Year. Just give me the Rookie of the Year trophy, alright? So the next race is going to be at Martinsville Speedway, race 33 of 36. For the running of the Subway 500, 3 races left on the season for season 1. Now let's take a look at the races left after Martinsville. You got Rush Hour, Tiburon, and the old Daytona Beach course. Those are going to be some pretty fun races coming up. So we'll see you then.